Good day, guys. This is your boy Chipper Visa USD, and you are welcome to Blogging for Tech YouTube channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how to top up your Chipper Cash dollar card. If you could remember, in my previous video, I actually taught you people that you can't top up your dollar card using the PayPal. You know, most people thought that they can actually link their Chipper Cash dollar card to their PayPal account and thereby topping it up via PayPal. But I've unveiled or debunked that myth that it can be done. If you watch my previous video, you actually agree with what I said. So now let's get started. And the first thing you do, actually, you have to ensure that you have Naira in your Chipper Cash account. For the purpose of this video, I actually transferred 1,000 Naira. As you can see, I'm in this spot. I transferred 1,000 Naira to my Chipper Cash account, and I want to purchase just $1, and you will see the exchange rate as we carry on the process along. So now the first thing you have to do, like you already know, you have to go to the card section at the bottom. As you can see, it's actually reading $0. That means there is no money in it at the moment. Looking at the card, you see my name right there to let you know that I'm actually shooting this video from my Chipper wallet. So now the next thing you do, you see the portion that says top up, that blue purple button that has the inscription on it, top up. You have to tap on the button. Then here, like I told you, I want to buy like $1. Let's see 760. 760 is 98 cents, which is not up to $1. So let's tap on 770. So 770 is the actual exchange rate for the dollar at the moment. So you remember I've taught you how you can easily determine the Chipper Cash dollar exchange rates in one of my previous videos. So 770 Naira is the rate. So all I have to do, I want to purchase $1. Yes, I want to pay for something online. It's below $1. It's just some few cents. And so I want to top up my Chipper Cash dollar card and make that payment online. So let's see and click on add funds. And as you can see, it's actually processing. My internet's a little bit slow at the moment. I don't want to mention the network I'm using, but successfully say you've added $1 to your Chipper Visa USD card. So all I have to do is to click on done, and I'm all set. So you see how easy it is actually appearing. So current balance, as you can see, is $1, and I've actually topped it up. You see how easy it is for you to actually top up your Chipper Cash Visa virtual dollar card by using this process I've taught you in this video. So I've actually used it to make the payments. So as you can see from this red spot, you say your card got charged. That is 98 cents. Like I told you, what I wanted to use it to pay for is just below $1. So let's go to the card to confirm. Yes, as you can see, it's remaining just 2 cents, which means 98 cents gone. So with that, we've come to the end of this video. Chipper Visa USD, like I said from the start, remains my name. I'm Blogging for Tech is the name of this channel. So we'll see you in my next video. Bye-bye for now.